In this video, I am going to be revealing a secret that you will usually find in a paid course. I am also going to be proving to you that you can make thousands of dollars a day with CPA content locking, and I mean with absolutely free traffic. You don't need to spend a dime on paid ads at all. And as you can see right here, I have made almost $400 today with content locking. All right, and I'm also going to show you somebody else who is doing one of my method on YouTube, and I'm going to show you the exact video that I made on my channel that this guy is doing on his channel. All right, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. A quick backstory before we get started into the video. During my leisure time, I play FIFA 14 a lot. It's one of my favorite games amongst others. All right, so I decided to see if I could get an updated version of FIFA 14, the modded version actually. All right, so because I prefer the modded version to the original version. Okay, so what I decided to do was to come onto YouTube to see if I can get a step-by-step video on how to install and get the game. All right, so I typed this on YouTube, as you can see here, FIFA 2022 Android offline. All right, so as you can see right here, there are a bunch of results right here. So after going through all the videos results, I decided to go with this one right here because I saw a preview of the video that the guy is actually demonstrating how to install the game, and as you can see, the video has over 300,000 views on it. So if I click on this video now, okay, as you can see here, the guy is showing a gameplay of, as you can see right here, the guy is showing a preview of the game right here. Okay, as you can see, so basically I am not going to bore you with the whole of the video. As you can see, first of all, he's trying to prove to us that the game works. Okay, as you can see right here, he's trying to show us that if you follow his instruction, the game is going to work for you. All right, so then after doing all this yada yada yada, all right, he started showing how to install the game right here. Just as you can see FIFA 2021 on his device. Okay, so he's trying to show how to install it. So basically I did the whole process that he showed in this video, but to my surprise, this was what happened after I did everything. You can see right here, before I show you what happened, let me play this part of the video. All right, so you can see now he has done with the installation, and now he has installed the game. Now he's trying to play the game. Okay, so now watch what happens. So as you can see right here, the game has opened. Now the game is loading. As you can see now, if you tap on continue, you can see it's going to show this loading animation right here, and now it's going to show this, and now the video is going to end after this. All right, just as you can see right here, you can see the video has ended. All right, so now I am going to show you what happened when I tried to install the game on my device. So now I am going to open the game on my device. So if I tap on the game right here, as you can see, the game is also opening on my device. Okay, so now just like it showed in the video, it showed this FIFA 2021 screen, and then it showed this tap to continue, just like it did. As you can see, the loading animation that it showed in that video, the same exact thing, to show you that I actually followed the video. So just as you can see right here, it says FIFA 2021 mobile verification required, please press OK. Press OK to continue. So when I press OK to continue, to my surprise, it took me to a content locker. All right, just as you can see right here. Okay, so you can see this is for those who have OG ads accounts. This is an OG ads content locker, and as you can see, the guy is saying almost there. Install and run 2 free apps below to verify FIFA 2021. You can see, I'm also going to show you that I made a video like this on my channel. All right, I made a video similar to this on my channel. The problem is people don't take action. They rather look for reason why the method will not work for them. So that is why a lot of people don't get results. As you can see right here, looking at the amount of views this guy has on this video, and then if anybody install the app, this is where they are going to end up, and they have to download or they have to install this app to continue. So you can imagine how much this guy is making, or how much he has made from this video with over 300,000 views on it, and he has about 150 videos on his channel. All right, so you can imagine how much this guy is making per day, and not to talk about how much he is going to be making on ads, on YouTube ads as well. So you can see, if you follow the method that I show on the channel, you put in the work and not try to look for reason why the method will not work, you will definitely set yourself apart from most people. You will get results as well. So just like I said, you can see the guy is using a content locker right here. So as I said, I am going to show you that I made a video similar to this one on my channel. All right, so if I pop on to YouTube now, so if I come to my channel, I am going to show you that I made a video similar to this one in the past. So you can go watch that video if you haven't already. So let me scroll down. So you can see here, this is the video I made that is very similar to this method. This video right here that says how to make 150 a day on cpagrip using your phone. And just as you can see right here, the guy did not record his voice in this video at all. Basically, he was just playing this game and showing how to download the game at the end of this video. And this is almost exactly what I showed in this video, and I use this method myself till today. Okay, so just as you can see right here, the guy also is not showing his face in this video. He's basically just recording his screen, and he is making a ton of money every day with content locker. All right, so basically that's what I want to show you guys in this video. So basically I decided to show you guys this channel so that it doesn't look like I am the only one who is making money with content locking. All right, there are a lot of people out there who are also making money with content locking, but obviously not everyone likes to make YouTube videos. All right, so as you can see right here, I've proved it to you that this guy is making a lot of money with content locking, and this guy is just one amongst many people. So basically you don't have to lock the APK in your case. You can basically lock the password to unlock the file of the game. So there are many ways that you can do this, and I am sure that you can get this game. Okay, if you come to this website called modroid.co, you are going to get a lot of Android games right here. As you can see here, a lot of Android games that you can rank on Google. All right, so if I go back, I am going to show you that this guy is ranking for this keyword. And as you can see right here, so if I scroll to the top of this page, as you can see here, you can see the bar right here. The competition for this keyword is very low. So basically you can jump on this opportunity right here and start making money with CPA marketing and content locking. So for those who are looking for a step-by-step guidance on how to set up everything from scratch to finish without making mistakes at all, so in this course I literally take you hand by hand and show you everything, how to get views, how to get YouTube traffic for absolutely free, how to set up your account properly to make it optimized for views. All right, I literally showed everything inside this course. So if you follow everything that I made in this YouTube module alone, you are definitely going to beat this guy in making money with content locking. So that will be all for this video, and if you find any useful information, please leave a like on this video. I really appreciate the like. And if you have any question, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.